Good morning, student. Today you have to start exercise 5.1 and I am solving question number second for you. Look at here. S minus t is equal to 3, s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. In this equation we have to find the value of s and t. So from this first equation I shifted this t from left side to right side, so I got s is equal to 3 plus t, and this value I substituted in equation number 2. So and putting the value in equation number 2. So in place of s, I am writing 3 plus t upon 3 plus t upon 2 plus is equal to 6. After that I have taken LCM. The LCM is 6. Then it is 6 plus 2t plus 3t equal to 6. This will give 6 plus 5t equal to 36. 5t equal to 36 minus 6. It is 5t equal to 30 and t is equal to 6. And this t I substituted here because s is equal to 3 plus t. So it is 3 plus 6. It is 9. So we got the answer. S is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. This is the first question, second part. So look at once more so you can get the idea. You can copy down this in your fair notebook. And answer should be 9 and 6. Now look at the second question. This is from exercise 5.1, question number 4, first part. Mx minus ny equal to m square plus n square and x plus y is equal to 2m. Here from second equation I have taken the value of y. It has come 2m minus x and it has substituted in equation number 1. Means in place of y I am going to write 2m minus x over here. So I've done it. So mx minus n into 2m minus x is equal to m square plus n square. Mx minus 2mn plus nx, because minus sign is here, minus minus plus. So it is equal to m square plus n square. Here this is the coefficient of x, this is the coefficient of x, so x is common, m plus n. This 2mn I shifted from from left side to right side, so it has come m square plus n square plus 2mn. X is equal to m plus n whole square. This is the a plus b whole square formula, so m plus n whole square upon m plus n. This power has cancelled out, so the value of x is m plus n. Now we have y is equal to 2m minus x, so in place of x I am going to write m plus n, so it will give y is equal to m minus n. So we have got two values, x is equal to m plus n and y is equal to m minus n. So look at this question once more. Just have a look. Starting from here, copy down this question in your fair notebook. Okay. Now students, see the last question of this exercise. This is solve 3x minus y equal to 5 and 4x minus 3y minus 1. This equation is the first equation and this equation is the second equation. So from the first equation, I'm getting the value of y. Y is coming 3x minus 5 and I will put this value in equation number 2. Okay, because I have taken from 1, so I will substitute in second equation. In second equation, in place of y I will write 3x minus 5. So it will be 4x minus 3 times of 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. So it will give 4x minus 9x plus 15 is equal to minus 1. So it is minus 5x. It will be minus 1 minus 15. So finally it will be this minus 5x is equal to minus 16. So this value will be this minus to minus cancel, so the value of x will be 16 upon 5. So x we got, x is equal to 16 upon 5. Now we know y is equal to, the value of y is 3x minus 5. So here you can substitute the value 3 into 16 upon 5 minus 5. Okay, So y will be 48 minus 25 upon 5. It will be 23 upon 5. So we got both the values. X is 16 upon 5 and y is 23 upon 5. So by using these two values, we have to get the value of p in this equation. This x and this y we have to substitute in this equation, then we'll get p. So student, what you have to do, first copy y is equal to px minus 3. So the value of y you have calculated 23 upon 5. P we have to calculate. The value of x, it is 16 upon 5 minus 3. So 23 upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 16p upon 5. So it will give 23, it is 5 3 15. So it will give the value 23 upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 16p upon 5. So it will be 23 plus 15 upon 5 is equal to 16p upon 5. So this 5 is cancelled out by this 5. So it will be 38 is equal to 16p, and finally p is equal to 38 upon 16. It is 2 8 is 16 to 19. So the value of p will be 19 upon 8. It is the final answer. So students, see once more. From the first equation we have taken y is equal to 3x minus 5 and putting in equation number 2. So we got 4x minus 3 into 3x minus 5. From here we got 5x is equal to 16 and the value of x has come 16 upon 5. So y is equal to, we have got 23 upon 5. From this x and this y, we have substituted the value in this equation. It is already given in question. So in place of y, in place of x, I have substituted the value and I tried simplified, and finally we got p is equal to 19 upon 8. You see here, this is the last step of the question. You can note down. So your final answer is 19 upon 8 is the value of p. So student, take the hint from these questions and you have to simplify all the questions which is given in this exercise and complete it and make it ready for checking. Thank you very much.